Hello, my YouTube and my subscribers. Thank you for joining my channel, and I hope you're enjoying the content that I've been posting in the last few days. If you are new and you're watching this video for the first time and you do like my content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, leave a nice comment of what you think it ought to be or whatever about the content of my program. So, welcome once again. And I want to tell you, if you are making enemies, today's post is about that. If you're making enemies, is it a bad sign? No, it's a good sign. I want to tell you that you only make enemies when you take a stand in life, when you're doing something good. Because when you do something bad, it makes the other person feel good. Oh, that's a bad person. Look at that. We're so much better. But when you are doing something really good, then you're achieving something, this really bothers the people who can't do anything. Or for some reason, they are stuck. Watching you do something or achieve the things you want really, really bothers them on a deep level, because in their life, there's something that they are not able to do, and something about your energy bothers them, which doesn't need their energy to live, breathe, or sustain itself. So it really bothers those people that you don't need them and you're so vital by yourself. Your vitality annoys the hell out of such people. So when they're seeing you happy, doing up your things, they're gonna say a snide remark or pass something that will completely crush your mood. So I want to just tell you, if you do come across people like this, first of all, just know you won. You won something. Because if you weren't important, they'd ignore you. The very fact that they need to address you is because they're not happy with the way you look, with the way you're dealing with your life circumstances. So they need to poke a hole, So they need to find something through which they can, puncture your ego. So when they say something negative, please never take such people seriously, because they're full of negativity themselves. And oh, something in the kitchen. So that means you've become vital. So you're doing something good, that means, in life. That means you've stood up for something. So next time you see somebody very unhappy with you or pass a snide remark, just remember something about your energy is really bothering something deep inside them. And it's not about you, it's mostly about them. So you don't have to worry. You're on the right path. You've got to keep on chugging and keep doing the things you believe in, if they're important to you and if they matter to you. So this is my little anecdote for today. If you want to hear more anecdotes, or you like more anecdotes to come your way, then please write in the comment that put one daily. Then I'll be putting one daily. If you like my content, like I said, don't forget to like and to subscribe to my channel. And thank you for stopping by and taking your precious time to watch this video. Thanks. Ciao for now. Have a lovely day.